This is the 2018 Toyota Tacoma. Assembled in Baja California, Mexico and San Antonio, Texas, this midsize pickup truck represents Toyota's take on modern capability. Let's take a few minutes to go over some of Tacoma's most compelling arguments. Now in its third year of its third generation, the Tacoma lineup is laid out across 6 unique trims. Although numerous cab, bed, and drivetrain layouts mean that this single truck is actually offered in dozens of different configurations. That means that there's a Tacoma to suit just about everyone. For 2018, Tacoma features Toyota Safety Sense P, or TSSP for short. Now standard across the entire lineup, these amazing driver assistant features include pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert, automatic high beams, and dynamic radar cruise control, which, when activated at highway speeds, is designed to make long highway drives easier and less tiring by maintaining a distance with the vehicle ahead. The TSSP suite joins Tacoma's already existing safety features like 8 airbags and Toyota's signature Star Safety System, a standard suite of 6 brake-related systems designed to help drivers maintain control and avoid collisions in certain situations. In addition to these standard features, Tacoma also offers several noteworthy optional safety features like intelligent clearance sonar and blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert system. Tacoma's high-tech mentality carries over into its amenity-rich cabin. Even the performance-oriented TRD models are available with impressively modern comfort and convenience systems, like a power sliding rear window, in-tune premium JBL audio, and even dual-zone automatic climate control. Despite its long list of safety and convenience features, Tacoma isn't just some cushy luxury car. For adventures, the standard GoPro mount in the windshield probably makes it obvious that this truck is every bit as rugged as it looks. Its high-strength steel, body-on-frame construction means this truck is ready for business, whether that's rush-hour traffic on the freeway or heavy-duty trailblazing in the mountains. For the latter, Tacoma's up to the challenge, simply by design, boasting an impressive 9.4 inches of ground clearance across the lineup, and approach and departure angles as steep as 35 degrees and 23.5 degrees. Additionally, available advanced off-road features like a locking rear differential, crawl control, and multi-train select help Tacoma's TRD models when the going gets rough. While the tow package, now standard equipment for all V6 models, enables Tacoma to pull up to 6,800 pounds. Under the hood, Tacoma features your choice of a 2.7-liter 4-cylinder engine or a 3.5-liter V6 with direct injection and Atkinson cycle technology. Both engines come paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, and on select models, a 6-speed manual transmission is available as well. Regardless of transmission, Tacoma's powerful engines can turn either the rear wheels alone or all 4 wheels with Toyota's 4-wheel drive demand part-time 4-wheel drive system. TRD models feature a sport-tuned suspension as well, with select models receiving high-performance components, like BILSTEIN shocks on the TRD Off-Road and pro-grade Fox internal bypass shocks on the range-topping TRD Pro. Round that off with Toyota's rock-solid reputation for quality, durability, and reliability, a starting price of just $25,200, and some of the best resale values and long-term cost estimates in the industry. And it becomes clear why Tacoma is the one to beat, both on the road and off.